Hi, I'm Pat Kelly, President and the Managing Broker at the Whistler Real Estate Company Limited. On June 15th, the first of a new group of consumer protection rules for real estate services came into effect. Mandated by the Provincial Superintendent of Real Estate, these new rules and associated documents ensure that consumers are well protected, well informed, and will fully benefit from their relationship with a licensee. Under the new rules, consumers will be presented with a new form to review regarding the types of representation available to them prior to entering into any real estate service agreement with a licensee, as well as a form outlining the risks associated with being unrepresented by a licensee. As a seller, you will now receive a new form outlining the fees you will pay in regard to any offer, and in the event that a licensee has two clients requiring trading services on the same property, a form is now required permitting the licensee to continue to represent one of the two consumers in the transaction. In order to assist you in understanding these new forms, we have prepared a series of videos outlining the important parts of the forms and the necessary steps you may need to take. The Disclosure of Representation and Trading Services form explains the special legal duties that real estate professionals owe to their clients. It will help you to decide whether you are a client and will have a real estate professional working exclusively with you, or whether you are an unrepresented party with no real estate professional representing your personal interests. The form must be discussed with you prior to a licensee providing any trading services. These include advising on the appropriate price for a specific property, making specific representations about the real estate, finding real estate for a party to acquire, finding a party to acquire the real estate, showing the real estate except at an open house, negotiating the price of any real estate or the terms and conditions of a trade, presenting offers to dispose or acquire of the real estate, and receiving a deposit money in respect of the real estate. This mandatory form must be reviewed with the consumer for all residential, commercial, and leasing opportunities prior to undertaking any trading services and must be executed by the licensee. The consumer has the choice of being a client, where the licensee will owe you the client fiduciary duties of undivided loyalty, avoiding conflict of interest, disclosing material information, and protecting your confidentiality. As such, you will have the benefit of expert advice, legislation to protect your consumer rights, and the oversight of the provincial regulator for the real estate industry. If you choose not to be a client and you will be an unrepresented party, you will not be entitled to any special legal duties from the licensee. In the event that you choose to be an unrepresented party, the licensee can provide you with general market information, some standard form contracts, can help you fill out a standard real estate contract, and can present offers and counteroffers. However, they cannot provide you any advice specific to your interests, possible price, or forms and conditions you may require. The licensee will also be required to present and discuss the mandatory disclosure of risks to an unrepresented party to anybody who wishes to be an unrepresented party. You may have already received this form as part of an email. We ask that you please read the form and either sign and return it or confirm by email to your licensee at representative@rec.com that you have reviewed and understand the document. If you have questions, we ask that you get in contact with your licensee to discuss your concerns. This new form is a part of a total overhaul of the consumer protection rules related to using a real estate professional in British Columbia. Should you be interested in finding out more or have questions regarding these and other real estate regulatory matters, please refer to the Real Estate Council website at recbc.ca. Comments in regards to these new procedures should be directed to the Office of the Superintendent of Real Estate of British Columbia at 1-855-999-1883 or realestate@gov.bc.ca. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more information about real estate in Whistler.